Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger banner. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger banner, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list, you will search about Messenger and you will enter. Here in this page, you will click for stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. Then you can wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.